Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can trade Forex on a MetaTrader 5. And if you didn't know, Forex also means foreign exchange. Now just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure that, go onto your app MetaTrader 5. And now go on to trades and click on the plus icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Here, after clicking on it, and you can see a dollar icon on the top right side of your screen. If you click on it, you can see these options that are also foreign exchange. Now you can pick any one of these, and now you can exchange, buy or sell however you want. And that's how you can trade Forex on your MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.